Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at a site called TimeBucks, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually get paid and whether it is worth your time for posting on Facebook, viewing funny slideshows, playing games, installing apps, completing micro tasks, all that sort of thing. We're going to do a full TimeBucks review and find out exactly what it's all about and whether it's worth your time. So we've come on to the TimeBucks website here, and as you can see, it says get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. So all very simple tasks, but is it worth your time? Is it legit? Do you actually end up getting paid? We're going to find out all those sort of things for you in this full TimeBucks review, and we're going to start exactly now by showing you how easy it is to actually go and sign up for TimeBucks. Put a link in the description below here, which will help you. Just click on that link and it'll bring you through to this page where you can obviously go and sign up. So if you just click on the sign up button here, and it'll just go through it. You just put in your email, password, repeat the password. Obviously, make sure that you're not a robot, and then obviously click on the sign up now button. Once you've done that, you'll go through the normal process of filling in a few more details and obviously verifying your email through email, which is like you do with all of these sites. And then you'll be taken to your dashboard, okay? So without further ado, let's jump across into my dashboard and we can go into more details about how you can actually earn money with TimeBucks and is it going to be worth your time. Now, before we jump in, I just thought I'd take you across to a site that I normally use. It's called Trustpilot, and this actually shows you what other people are saying about TimeBucks. Okay, now the good thing with TimeBucks is it's the company is actually verified. It's a verified company, so it's obviously registered domain name ownership and their bank account. Okay, and it's also claimed their profile, so which means that they are on here answering any queries that people have, which is good. So it tells you that these are legitimate people, a legitimate company that have been going quite a few years. And as you can see here, they've got 1,300 reviews and at a rate of 3.5, which is okay. It could be better. But there's a few bad ones in here. But you just take your time if you want to check it through. Just come on to the Trustpilot website, put in timebucks.com, and this profile should come up. And you can obviously go through all of these reviews. But we're going to jump into the back of TimeBucks now and go and find out exactly how you're going to earn money. Okay, so we've come into my TimeBucks dashboard here, and as you can see here, it's got my daily goal checklist, and this gives you daily goals, of which if you complete all the tasks, you could end up earning quite a bit of cash out of it. Okay, so you've got to complete 10 clicks, you've got to complete 4 push clicks, you've got to complete 3 sideshows, attempt 6 tasks, and complete 3 full surveys from the surveys tab, and complete an offer of any offer wall. Okay, now if you do that on a daily basis, you're going to get entered into another way that you can actually earn money, is their sweepstake entries, and you get 20,000 entries if you can complete all that. And also, if you complete the daily goal chest for 6 days in a row, you'll receive even higher and even bigger prize. And if you skip a day, obviously it resets to 0. But so that gives you a good indication of they're going to help you obviously try and meet these goals, so you're going to actually be able to earn money. So how are you actually going to be able to earn money? Let's go into it a little bit deeper. Just click on the earn button here. Okay, so here are some of the things you're going to actually earn. As you can see, we've got surveys here. So these are various surveys, and this is telling me I'm going to earn 10 cents for this survey, which is a quality testing survey. Okay, and it says the length is 6 minutes. Now, as you can see from this, 10 cents is not a lot of money. Now, with these legit sites and the survey sites, that sort of thing, and doing mini tasks, Some pay a little bit better than others, and with TimeBucks, it's not the best paying site out there, unfortunately, but it could offer you different offers and different ways of earning money, which I'm going to show you very shortly, that may suit you better. And it may suit you better in your country, because obviously in the UK it may not be working so well, but in other countries it could be working better. Okay, so you could be earning more money. Now, other ways you can obviously earn is by content. Okay, so you can go and view slideshows, you can go and get clicks, you can get what they call nightfall news, you can engage, you get push clicks here, and the last one you also get is a search and a 55-word tasks. So loads of different tasks you can do. I will also link in the description to my best site that I'm using, which is similar to TimeBucks, which gives you a much better payout, and I'll link to a video above here now, which you can go and check that out if you wanted to, but let's just go and show you what other things you can actually learn. So you've obviously got games here as well, so you can play games. And you can also, if you wanted to, which is probably the best way I would recommend, is recommend people to join. Now, if you recommend friends and family, you actually get paid 15% commission on your earnings that anyone else you refer to in TimeBucks. Okay, and it also says if you will earn 10% commission on anyone advertising, placing money on their advertising fund to get deposits by any user. So if they deposit $100, you will get $10 in commission. Now you've got to the normal offer walls, that sort of thing. You have got what they say is the sweepstakes. Okay. Now my entries today so far, I've just come in, I've been over 4,000 entries. I've got to that today, and as you can see with the sweepstake prizes, if you win the first prize, you could win $250. So this is about the only what I would call good money you could earn through TimeBucks, really. The rest of it is going to take you a little bit longer. You can also get things like cashback for AliExpress, that sort of thing. So again, if you do a lot of shopping online, then you can actually use it for certain things, and you can get up to 4.5% back on some of those items. So as you can see here, you're not going to make a full-time living using TimeBucks. What I would recommend is you go and join 2 or 3 and maybe even 5 or 6 of these different survey sites, and then find out which ones work better than others. And I'll put a list of these in a video on the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned and check that out right at the end, and you can go through them at your own pace and join them and check them out and see which ones are better than others, because like I say, it is very difficult because what works in the UK where I'm based may be totally different in the US, Canada, or even some of the other countries around the world. So let us know in the comments below here if you're using TimeBucks and how you're getting on with it. I have no doubt that it's obviously a legit company. It's been going a long time. It's all verified. So make sure you check out TimeBucks and see how it is in your country. And also, I say check out the other videos at the end of this video, which you should be able to use as well to actually go and earn some extra cash every single month. Okay, so I hope you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.